How to convert your Facebook friends into followers. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert your Facebook friends into followers. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you need to install Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner with the 3-line icon. Here, tap on the settings icon again. Under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility, tap on the first option that says how people find and contact you. So from all of these options, you have to set the options to everyone. So tap on it and then you have to set it to public and then tap on save. Scroll down a bit and make sure to turn all of these options into public. Then tap on save. And tap and save. Scroll down and make sure to, after that, go back, tap on post, tap on the first option and make sure to turn it into public. Then tap on save. Again, hit back, tap on stories and here make sure it is turned into public and then tap on save and now tap on save. Again, go back, scroll down a bit and now tap on followers and public content. Tap on the first option and make sure that it is turned on to the public, then tap on save. And similar with that, make sure all of this option is turned into public. And once you have done all of this, your friends will be converted to followers on your Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.